This 2018 Dutchmen Voltage V3705 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in St. Augustine, Florida, 32086 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV St. Augustine. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 160 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, loft, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.